Hey everyone, and welcome to your next segment of Cooking with Nichole, now the Cooking NP. Follow me on Facebook, and there's a convenient blue watch video button on the Facebook page that takes you directly to my YouTube channel, where you're going to find all 67 other videos available. Great options for those of you who are following a low carb or keto lifestyle. And if you're watching this on the Cooking NP, the Facebook channel, welcome. This channel or page has been born about 3 weeks ago, and so hoping to bring all of you lots of information and great tasty recipes to keep you on with your goals. So tonight we're gonna make some deviled ham. So it kind of reminds me of funeral food, quite honestly. If you've ever been to a small town funeral, a lot of times you get served these minced meat sandwiches and that kind of thing. But when I saw this recipe, I'm like, you know what, I gotta try it. It sounds awesome. So this recipe actually comes from Southern Bite. I found it on Pinterest, so I can't take any credit for this one, but it looks tasty. It calls for us to take the ham and to mince it into a food processor. Well, I kind of like a little bit more bite or chew to my dishes, and so I'm not going to take that step, but you certainly can if you would like to. But what I have here is 4 cups, or roughly 1.5 pounds of Applewood smoked ham already pre-cooked, 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 of a teaspoon of Frank's Red Hot Sauce, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. While you can't see it in here, I guarantee you it's in here. 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, and then 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And so we're gonna stir it all and combine it all into our bowl here. So a really quick recipe to make. You can serve this as a dip. You can serve this on a sandwich. As a sandwich, you could put it on a bed of lettuce or a bed of spinach, just to make it into a salad if you would like, just to give yourself something different. You could put this on, and I'm going to show you these little pitas that I found at Walmart not long ago. You could use them as like little appetizers too, if you liked, if you were having football people over, or just some guests. So we're just gonna combine all of our stuff here in the bowl and stir it together. You want to refrigerate it for about 2 hours after you get it all mixed together and combined, just so that the flavors can mingle and make nice with one another, and then it just gives you that much more flavorful situation. Sometimes when you serve things right out of the bowl, right after you've combined it, you pick up on maybe more of the Dijon, or maybe more of the hot sauce, versus all of the ingredients combined together. So give it a little rest period in the refrigerator. And there you go. I mean, how easy is that? Something great and quick to do. If you got leftover Thanksgiving or Easter hams, you could put this on top of some deviled eggs if you'd like, as a little bit of a relish for sure. So I plan to serve mine on these little Joseph's mini pita pockets. There's 5 to a serving, and you get 8 grams of net carb per serving for 6 grams of protein. So a nice, easy little snack that you could do, or would make this as an opportune appetizer. Or you could use the Carb Balance Mission tortillas. This one happens to be a higher protein content, but it is only 3 grams of net carb. And like I said, you could definitely put it on top of a bed of lettuce, or onto some spinach, or like I'll probably end up doing, just eating it right out of the bowl. I'll have the nutrition facts information available for you with the video. Please enjoy the recipes that are provided, and make use of them. Please share them with your friends and let them know about Cooking with Nichole, or now the Cooking NP. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great evening.